Oh, that's our salad in oh, tastes good. And upon on dairy creamer, 4 box we so can see oats, na cremitino.
Yawo and the spaghetti, Talia Poppy.
Mansunin Sijadu Re, Nafa and the spaghetti the gum.
Who and a Pataliano are ready for watching on you with you. So ya napa no so good
Dem de ruboyi ebie ahwehwem ajatum.
Use someone like me who wants to lose weight without losing your African figure. Then Reggie Lean Capsules is your friend. It also supports appetite control and limits the food you eat. Reggie, #1.
Pregnant, lactating women, people with known health conditions should consult with a licensed physician. This advert is FDA approved.
Visit our website on ReggieTrueVineNaturalHealthClinic.com and explore our amazing wide range of products from beauty to health. Trust me guys, you will love it. And also download our app Reggie True Vine on all your app stores.
Close-up deep action with antibacterial mouthwash formula and deep cleaning gel. Close-up deep action. Enjoy long-lasting fresh breaths.
Hi, it's your rockstar Kwame Eugene, the ITEL brand ambassador. So ITEL P37 series is my perfect body, and I love it. Just because 1, I could enjoy over 10,000 photos and play multi-apps at the same time smoothly. 2, its big battery gives me longer entertainment hours. 3, I really love the P37 Pro big screen, the best music video viewing performance. Easy play, easy fun on P37 series. ITEL, enjoy better life.